Hi friends, I am your PRAKASH MASTIHOli. Today I want to present a video that is on thought patterns, how thought occurs in our mind, how it influences in our life. That all things I am going to discuss with you all with science and scientific theories. Yes, every animal expects that other animals should reciprocate it. Man is also not an exceptional animal to this. Here man tries to control other animals using so many techniques. Here I am going to bifurcate these animals in two ways. One is wild, other one is domestic animals. As the wild animals, lion, tiger, cheetah, bear, etc. Here man trains those animals. But these wild animals give the reactions of the commands in the presence of trainer only. In the absence of that trainer, we can't expect that reaction from those wild animals. But in case of domestic animals like cow, ox, dog, cat, etc., these can be trained by a person. They give responses to the commands in absence of trainer also. By this easily we can quote that it is easy to train the wild animals, but we can't tame them. Yes. For this I am going to take the help of two psychological theories. That is, first one is by Pavlov's conditioning theory. Pavlov, he is a Russian psychologist as well as a zoologist. Basically, he started working on digestive system of dogs, and for that he awarded Nobel Prize. While doing that experiment, he observed a nice phenomena, interesting phenomena in dogs, that when a person used to bring the food for that dog, it started salivation for just hearing the sound of that footstep of that person who used to bring the food. He observed, and after that he started making an experiment. So he started giving the bell sound before giving the food to that dog. After some days, just he gave a bell sound, and for that bell sound, that dog gave natural response, that is salivation. Yeah, it gave the natural response to the artificial stimulus. This condition is called as conditioning theory. And further, at the higher level he thinks, and he started giving a flashlight immediately followed by the bell sound. So while giving the food, after some days, only for the flashlight also, it started giving the natural response. That is called as reflex conditioning theory. The same thing happens in human beings also. But we people say that is just by the practice. Here is just the small difference is that dog gave the response for the light, but we human beings search the light to give the response. So another one psychologist, he gave one beautiful theory, that is operant conditioning theory, that is none other than B.F. Skinner. He is an American psychologist. So he made some experiments on rats. He just arranged one special cage. In that cage, at the corner, he made an arrangement of a lever. Just by touching it, that arrangement of getting the food grains was there. And he made some 4 ways. From particular way, if the rat went and got the food, it used to get the food. Otherwise, from first 3 way, if that rat started moving, he arranged it in such a way that it used to get a mild electrical shock. So he leaves some rats into that cage, and they started moving in particular way, some ways, and from first 3 ways, if they started moving, they used to get some electrical shocks, and by the 4th way, when they went and they used to touch that lever, they got that food grains. That getting food grains is positive reinforcement or positive stroking. That getting electrical shock, it is negative reinforcement or negative stroking. So amazingly, within few days only, that rats, they learned They started moving by the particular way, that fourth way, and then they started getting the food grains. That the learning, that procedure itself is called as operant conditioning theory. Yes, friends, by the help of these two theories, I am going to explain you what all the mechanisms are going to happen in human's life, and that what it how it influences in our life, that all we'll discuss in coming videos. Thank you.